Today we're going to talk about this jar and why you should use it in your team and how this jar is going to help you to appreciate the small wins so you can actually celebrate the big wins. And then we are also going to talk about the results when you are going to use this jar. So let's jump in. Hi and welcome back to the channel. My name is Sven. I'm an Agile coach based in Austria, and on this channel we are going to explore how to make teams happier and more productive. And today we're going to talk how to integrate a small habit in your team with this jar to appreciate the small wins so you can actually really celebrate the big wins together. So why should you do this? In our teams we are working so hard that often we forgot what we have already achieved, and that can be quite frustrating. And if you're not going to do anything about this, this will lower your productivity. So Tim Ferriss in his book Tools of Titans was mentioning something he is doing to boost the creativity and motivation of himself. And this is by celebrating the small successes. And he does that with a jar, and he calls it the jar of awesome. How does it work? So just get a beautiful jar and maybe write jar of awesome on it. And next to it you put, for instance, a kudos box, you put some notes there. And whenever a small success hits the team, just write it down and place it in the jar. And so what could be an example? We have one new customer who signed a contract, or our customer happiness improved by 20%. And when you've written those, you just place them into the jar. And even better, when you make a habit out of it. So every morning when you come in, you grab a note and you write at least one of your successes of the last 24 hours down it and place it into the jar. And if you can't think of something, I'm alive is a reliable winner compared to the alternative. Great. So now you have placed your successes, you appreciated the small wins, and now maybe the team feels down or is frustrated. So what do? You just go with the whole team, grab the jar and pull out some successes and read them out again. Okay, so this was our success. Or you could do this in a retrospective as well. So once in a while you do a retrospective and you just grab the jar, take all the successes with you, and for the final step in the retrospective, you just grab out some of the post-its and read them out loud to close the retrospective. And check out my other video where I was talking about the 5 steps of a successful retrospective. So what are the results when you're using the jar of awesome? So one of the things is that when you look for the good, when you practice the good, you will see it more often. And the jar really helps you a lot in appreciating the process you're doing. And Gary Vaynerchuk already said, loving the process is the quickest path to happiness. And that's what we want to have the teams. We want to have the teams happy. So, but why do we want to have the teams happy? Positive happiness researcher Sean Akers says, when your brain is happier, every single outcome is better. Your intellectual rises, your creativity rises, your energy level rises, and they can track it that even your productivity rises for 31%, your sales rises by 37%. So what do you think? Is this small team habit worthwhile trying out for months? Leave a comment below and tell me what your team experienced after doing this exercise for months. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I hope you liked it. Please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos, and also check out my latest videos, and hope to see you soon. And I wish you an enjoyable and productive time.